Hey there, this is Jacob Wood with Coldwell Banker Warburg, here to show you 755 West End Avenue, apartment 15C, a high floor classic 6 with 3 full baths asking 2.25. Now, if you've been holding out for a home with gorgeous river views that doesn't need any work, then you want to seriously consider this home. As you can see, the kitchen has been completely renovated with a full appliance package, including a stand-up washer dryer. The original maid's room has a full bath that's also been completely renovated and the same amazing river views. The contemporary layout offers an extra den just on the other side of the extra large entry foyer, opposite a nicely sized living area that also offers beautiful views to the north of the neighborhood's Renaissance Revival architecture. For your guests, the third full bath is not en suite with the same amazing river views completely renovated. The maintenance is a bit on the high side at just over 4,300, but the building is in great financial condition. The primary bedroom offers the same amazing unobstructed river views and is big as you'll see, with more than enough room for a king-sized bed. The primary also features a completely renovated full-sized bath on the other side of pass-through closets. Now, if you've been looking to buy or sell on the Upper West Side, let's talk more. This is Jacob Wood with Coldwell Banker Warburg.